going, fellow rail fans? I am out at Erlanger, Kentucky today. I just got a report that NS 179 has an SD40-3 trailing, I believe, third out. So this is interesting. NS decided to take a handful of their old SD40s and rebuild them into SD40-3s. I've never seen an NS SD40-3 because they're just now getting rolled out of the shops from where they've been rebuilt. So this will be my first one. I've not seen a picture of one of these, or not an up-close detailed picture, so I'm not really sure what they look like. From what I'm told, they don't really look like the sponge cabs from CSX, so I don't know if there is a big difference or not, but we're about to find out.